Hello students, welcome. So dear students, today in this video we will start with exercise 8.4 from R.D. Sharma, and the first question says that we have to find the root using completing square method. And here is the first sub question. So here the quadratic equation given is x square minus 4 root 2x plus 6 equals to 0. So when we start with completing square method, students, we have to just remember the first step. फर्स्ट स्टेप कहता है कि कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर शुड ऑलवेज बी 1, वो हमेशा 1 ही चाहिए. अगर आपको कोएफिशिएंट 1 के अलावा, लाइक इफ यू गेट एनी अदर कोएफिशिएंट, अज्यूम इट टू बी ए. Okay, so if your coefficient is a, so what will be our first step? We'll try to eliminate that a. How we do that? By dividing each term by a. But in this question, coefficient of x square is 1, so we directly go to the second step, that is we find the term to be added. Term to be added. So what is the term to be added? Like how will you find? Either you use the formula, or you can try splitting the middle term here and finding the third term which is to be added. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे हम formula method use करेंगे. So term to be added is half into coefficient of x bracket square. So this will be half into coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 4 root 2. So it will be multiplied by minus 4 root 2 bracket square. Okay, solving this further, we get 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is minus 2 root 2 bracket square. Now here student, it's minus 2 and root 2 bracket square. So it will be minus 2 ka square multiplied by root 2 square. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 2 will give you positive 4 multiplied by root 2 square. So root and square will get cancelled, so it will be just 2, that is you got the answer as 8. So hence the answer is 8. It means the term which we need to add is 8. Now students, as we are adding the term 8 to the given quadratic equation, we still have to keep in mind that the value of the equation shouldn't change. So for that we add and subtract the same number to keep it balanced. Okay, so take a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation है x square minus 4 root 2x plus 6 को आप transpose कर देंगे to the right hand side. Remember, constant term will be on the right hand side. Okay, so before plus 6 you will add 8, you will subtract 8 and equals to plus 6 on the right hand side. So plus 6 transpose to the RHS will become minus 6. Clear? Now here as we are doing completing square method, हमें complete करना है square को. So we'll take first 3 term as a group. Okay, and what we do here is just take the first term. It's a simple trick to do, students. First term लो, last term लो, and find out the factors using that. That is, we take the square root of x square will be x minus plus 8. 8 is not a perfect square, so for that you'll take the prime factors. 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 cube is 8, right? So now take it and take the square form of it. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. This pair will become 2 root 2. Okay, so square root of 8 is 2 root 2 bracket square. As the second step says, all the constant to the right hand side, so minus 6 is already on the right hand side, transpose minus 8 as well, so it will become minus 6 plus 8, right? So now here you will get x minus 2 root 2 bracket square equals to minus pluses, minus 8 minus 6 2, sign of the greater number will remain plus. Now here as we have got the square on the left hand side, we have completed the square on the left hand side. Now we will take square root on both sides. ठीक है? So taking square root on both sides, it will be x minus 2 root 2 is equals to root 2. बच्चों जब भी हम square root लेते हैं, so it will be both positive and negative. Why? See, even if we take negative root 2 into negative root 2, we will get positive. Negative negative will become positive, right? And positive root 2 into positive root 2, positive positive again positive, and this happens with all the number. So taking square root on both sides, we got x minus 2 root 2 equals to positive negative root 2. Now our Motive here is to find the value of x. We need to find the roots, right? So it will be x minus 2 root 2 is equals to positive root 2, and the second time it will be x minus 2 root 2 equals to negative root 2. Clear? Now solving this further, we get x is equals to root 2 minus 2 root 2 transposed to the RHS will become positive 2 root 2. So we get the answer as root 2. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं, 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give us 3 root 2, or x is equals to minus root 2. Now this transposed, minus root 2 transposed to the other side will become positive 2 root 2. So here negative positive, minus plus हो जाएगा minus, 2 root 2 से 1 root 2 गया, so we'll have only root 2 with us. So here these are the two solutions, or we can say the two roots for the given quadratic equation by completing square method. I hope students you all are clear with this. If any doubt, just let me know. Thank you so much.